All right, we have some news that is just coming in right now. Let's go straight across to that story, and this is from the Delhi High Court, which says Delhi High Court is going to take up extremely urgent matters filed in 2021 for hearing from the 19th of April onwards. No routine or non-urgent matters will be taken up for hearing in view of the COVID situation. The High Court is only going to hear extremely urgent matters that has been listed and filed for this year 2021, and no routine or non-urgent matters is going to be taken up for hearing. So obviously these restrictions in view of the increasing cases of COVID-19 which has hit staff at the Delhi High Court also hard. No routine hearing of matters which are not urgent. What they're only going to hear is that matters of extreme urgency filed in 2021 for hearing from the 19th of April onwards. Nalini Sharma is getting us more on that story. Nalini Sharma, what were the concerns of the Delhi High Court? Has it got to do with the increase in COVID cases and also staff members testing positive, and that's the reason why there's a concern that the court can't really function in full capacity, and there's going to be a problem vis-a-vis hearing all matters which are not really urgent?
Well, yes, Neha. In fact, there are several judges of the Delhi High Court who have also tested positive, including the Chief Justice himself. And keeping that in mind, not only has the Delhi High Court suspended the physical hearings of all cases, which they'd done earlier, but today they've released a fresh notification where they've said that only extremely urgent matters that have been filed in 2021 will be taken up for hearing. So any of the routine matters or matters that were filed before 2021, even late 2020, are not going to be taken up by the High Court for hearing, because only virtual hearing is happening right now. So only extremely urgent matters will be taken because a limited number of benches are sitting. Several of the judges are not even holding court. So the High Court is working on a restricted capacity. And this is coming just days after the Delhi High Court had actually decided to resume the full physical hearing from the 15th of March. But soon that decision was rolled back after seeing the number of rising COVID cases in the national capital. So the Delhi High Court has taken suo motu steps to make sure that not only physical hearings are suspended, but also that nobody who is required to appear before the court does so by only taking up extremely urgent matters for hearing that have been filed in 2021.
Right, Nalini. Nalini, thanks for getting us those details. Nalini Sharma with that report from the national capital. That story and much more is always up on our website too. That's indiatoday.in. You can also download the app.